Student, in this lecture we solve remaining equation of supplementary exercise 3.5. Question number 9. Here given b plus c cos b plus c by 2 is equal to prove that a cos b minus c upon a 2. Taking any side, we get a next side. Here take a left hand side, LHS is equal to b plus c into cos b plus c by 2. So is equal to, here b and c, use this sine rule, sin a upon a is equal to sin b upon b is equal to sin c upon c is equal to say 1 upon k. So this implies here b is equal to k, take this side, so k sin b. Similarly c is equal to k sin c, so k sin b in place of b take this value, c is equal to k sin c into cos b plus c by 2. Clear this? K take common, so sin b plus sin c into cos b plus c by 2. So is equal to k into s plus s is equal to, you know that s plus s is equal to 2sc. So 2 sin, take addition of these 2, divide by 2, b plus c by 2 into cos, subtraction of these 2, b minus c by 2 into cos b plus c by 2. Clear this? So is equal to, now here we want to get a into cos b minus c by 2. So cos b minus c by 2 is a required terms. So write separately. Here b minus c by 2 cos b plus c by 2. So k into 2 sin b plus c by 2 into cos b plus c by 2 into cos b minus c by 2. Now you know that 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to, remember this formula, sin 2 theta. So 2 sin b plus c by 2 cos b plus c by 2 becomes sin 2 times b plus c by 2, that is a b plus c. Clear this? Into remaining terms cos b minus c by 2. Now b plus c is equal to, in triangle ABC, a plus b plus c is equal to pi. So k into sin, here b plus c is equal to pi minus a, because you know that a plus b plus c is equal to pi. Clear? So b plus c is equal to, take this side, pi minus a. So replace b plus c by pi minus a into cos b minus c by 2. Clear this? So is equal to k sin pi minus a is equal to sin a into cos b minus c by 2. Clear? So is equal to k into, here k sin a is equal to, you know that, what is the k sin a? A take this side, k take this side, so k sin a is equal to a. So a into cos b minus c by 2. Clear? So is equal to a into cos b minus c by 2 is the right hand side, RHS. Hence proof. Clear? Now question number 10. A into cos a plus b into cos b plus c into cos c is equal to, prove that 2a sin B sin C. Prove this. Here A, B and C. Use the sine rule. Replace by sine. So A is equal to, you know that, K sin A into cos A plus B is equal to K sin B into cos B plus C is equal to K sin C into cos C. Clear? Because sine rule, sin A upon A is equal to sin B upon B is equal to sin C upon C is equal to 1 upon K. Clear? So is equal to, now K take outside, multiply each term by 2 and divide by 2 outside. So K upon 2 into 2 sin A cos A. Think why we multiply by 2 to each term. 2 sin B cos B plus 2 sin C cos C. So is equal to K by 2. What is the formula for 2 sin A cos A? Sin 2A. Similarly, this becomes sin 2B. This becomes 2 sin C into cos C. Remaining same. Here we apply S plus S. So K by 2 into S plus S is equal to 2SC. So 2 sin, take addition of these two, divide by 2. So A plus B into cos 2A minus 2B upon 2, that is A minus B. Clear? Plus 2 sin C into cos C. So is equal to K upon 2. Here 2 A plus B plus C is equal to pi. So A plus B is equal to pi minus C into cos A minus B. Clear? Plus 2 sin C into cos C. So is equal to K by 2. Here sin pi minus C becomes a sin C into cos A minus B. Parallel to this, here change this C into A plus B form, pi minus A plus B. Why we change this? Here also why we can't write into form of 2 sin C, you know. After some terms we take common sin C. Here sin C becomes a common terms, 2 sin C. Here cos C, change C into A plus B form, and then we apply C plus C formula. Clear? So is equal to, here 2 sin C take common, so K upon 2 into 2 sin C. K upon 2 into 2 sin C into bracket cos A minus B. Here cos pi minus A plus B is equal to cos A plus B, and the pi minus, that is in a second quadrant, cos is negative, so apply negative sign. Clear? Here which formula we apply here? Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. C minus C formula. C minus C is equal to minus 2SS. Here big terms write in a second form. So plus or minus take common. So minus C minus C is equal to minus 2SS. So becomes a C plus minus minus plus. That is a. So here to cancel. So we get K sin C into, here becomes minus minus plus 2 SS. So sin A minus B, A plus B becomes minus B plus B cancel. A plus A become 2A by 2, that is A, into sin subtraction of these two, A plus B minus this. So minus minus plus B to B upon 2, that is a B. Clear? So is equal to 2K sin C into sin A into sin B. So is equal to, here required terms is 2a sin b, 2a sin b sin c. So first write 2 into k into sin a by variant terms, you know, sin b into sin c. Now k sin a is equal to, by sin rule, you know, a into sin b into sin c. Clear? Hence proof. This is the right hand side, to a sin b sin c. Now question number 11. Cos a upon a plus cos b upon b is plus cos c upon c is equal to, prove that x square plus b square plus c square upon 2abc. Here apply formula of cos a, cos b, cos c. So cos a, directly here taking these terms, cos a is equal to, here becomes cos a is equal to b square plus c square minus x square upon 2 into a, here 2bc into a, that is 2abc, plus cos b is equal to x square plus c square minus b square upon 2ac into b, that is 2abc. Clear? Plus cos c is equal to b square plus x square, or x square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab into here c. Here this is the terms c given already. So 2abc. Clear? So is equal to 2abc, take common. So 1 upon 2abc. So in bracket b square plus c square minus x square plus x square plus x square minus b square plus x square plus b square minus c square. So is equal to, here minus x square plus x square cancel, minus b square plus b square cancel, minus 6 square plus a 6 square cancel. So x square, b square, 6 square. So x square plus b square plus 6 square upon 2abc. Clear this? Hence proof. This is the right hand side. Clear? Now question number 12. Prove that b square minus 6 square into cot a plus 6 square minus x square into cot b plus x square minus b square into cot c is equal to 0. Here we simplify only one terms, and for next two terms we write a similar terms. So big square, first here big square minus 6 square into cot a is equal to big square is equal to sine rule, you know that sine a upon a is equal to sine b upon b is equal to sine c upon c is equal to k, or 1 upon k, both same. So b square is equal to k square sin square b. So k square sin square b. Clear? Minus 6 square is equal to k square sin square c. Clear? Into cot a. Cot a is equal to, here cos a upon sin a. K square take common. So here becomes sin square a b minus sin square c. Think formula of sin square alpha minus sin square beta. Remember this. What is the formula of sin square alpha minus sin square beta? Sin alpha plus beta, sin alpha minus beta. So sin square b minus sin square c is equal to sin b plus c into sin b minus c. You know that. Clear? Into cos a upon sin a. Now change this b minus c or b plus c into a form. So a plus b plus c is equal to pi. So b plus c is equal to pi minus a into sine b minus c into cos. Here a change into b and c form. So pi minus b plus c. Clear this? Upon sine a remains same because here we get sine a, here sine a cancel. So kx square sine pi minus a is equal to sine a into sine b minus c into cos pi minus b plus c is equal to minus cos b plus c upon sine a. Clear this? Sine a from both cancel. So minus kx square into here sine b minus c into cos b plus c. So is equal to. Now to apply formula of 2cs or 2sc multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So minus kx square upon 2 into 2 cos, first write this big terms b plus c into sine b minus c. Clear this? So is equal to minus kx square upon 2. Here 2cs is equal to s minus s, you know that. So sine, first take addition of these two, b plus c plus b minus c is equal to 2b minus sine subtraction of these two, b plus c minus b plus c, b cancel, so 2c. Clear this? Minus take inside, so kx square upon 2 sine 2c minus sine 2b. Clear? Similarly, we write for 6 square minus x square cot b. Here for big square minus 6 square cot a is equal to become x square upon 2 sine 2c minus sine 2b. Clear? So for these terms here, cot b is equal to cot b 6 square minus x square is equal to kx square upon 2 sine 2a minus sine 2c. Similarly for these terms we write and take addition of all terms. Clear? So here big square minus 6 square into cot a is equal to these terms. Similarly, write this for terms 6 square minus x square cot b is equal to here kx square upon 2 big square minus 6 square, then sine 2c minus sine 2b. So here for this sine 2a minus sine 2c. Clear? Similarly, for last terms, x square minus big square into cot c is equal to here kx square upon 2 sine 2b minus sine 2a. Clear this? Therefore, big square minus 6 square cot a plus 6 square minus x square cot b plus x square minus big square cot c is equal to, here write these terms, big square minus 6 square cot a is equal to kx square upon 2 sine 2c minus sine 2b, sine 2b. Clear? Plus here 6 square minus x square cot b is equal to kx square upon 2 sine 2a minus sine 2c plus here x square minus big square is equal to kx square upon 2 sine 2b minus sine 2a. Clear this? Now k square upon 2 take common. So k square upon 2 into bracket. Here sine 2c minus sine 2b plus sine 2a minus sine 2c plus sine 2b minus sine 2a so yeah, sine 2c plus minus cancel, these two terms cancel, these two terms cancel, so k square upon 2 into 0 becomes 0. Hence proof. Clear? Similarly, in question number 13, bx square minus x square upon x square sine 2a plus x square minus x square upon b square sine 2b plus x square minus b square upon c square sine 2c is equal to prove that 0. Here, first simplify this, get some terms, and applying same terms, write a similar for these terms, two terms, and take addition of all, get a 0. Clear this? Apply same method as we apply in question number 12. Easy question. Now last question number 14. A tree stand vertically on hill side which makes an angle of a 15 at the horizontal from a point on the ground 35. Point on the ground 35. There is a tree and the bottom of a tree makes angle 15 degree at a point where point is a 35 meters from this tree. 35 meters down the hill from the base of the tree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tree, yeah, this is a tree, angle of elevation of a top of a tree, angle of elevation, this angle is a 60 degrees. So this angle becomes a 60 degrees. Clear this? So this angle become 60 degree. So what is the measure of this angle? 60 minus 15. 60 degree minus a 50 degree. So 15 is equal to here 5. Here 5, 4, 45. Clear? So this angle is a 45 degree. Clear this? So remember this. Find height of tree. Find height of a tree. Suppose height of a tree is a h. A, B, C and a D. CD is a tree. Here this angle is a 15. This is a 35 and we want to get a length of CD. Think of which formula we apply. Sin A upon A is equal to sin B upon B. A, this is H. Sin A upon CD and this upon this. Clear? So first suppose let CD is equal to height of tree is equal to h meter. Angle CAD, first write this DAB, angle DAB is equal to 60 degree. CAB, angle CAB is equal to 15 degree. So this angle becomes, therefore angle DAC is equal to becomes a 45. Write this into form of 60 minus 15 is equal to 45. Clear this? Degree. Now this angle CDA is equal to this angle is a 40, this angle 60, this is the 90. So what is the measure of this angle? 30. You know, because in a triangle ABC, measure of a B is equal to 90 and the measure of a A is equal to 60. Clear? So this become 30 degree. Clear this? 30 degree. In a triangle ACD, we apply sine rule. Sin A upon opposite side CD is equal to sin D upon opposite side AC. Think why we take this angle and side, and why we apply this sine rule in these triangles. Think here sin A is equal to A, value of A is equal to 45. So sin 45 upon CD. CD is a height of a tree. Sin D is a 30 upon AC. AC is a 35. Clear this? Therefore, sin 45 is a 1 upon root 2 into 1 upon h, that is a h root 2 is equal to sin 30 is a 1 by 2 into 1 upon 35. Now simplify this, take reciprocal on both sides. So we get here h root 2 is equal to 2 into 35. Now dividing by root 2 to both sides, here 2 upon root 2 becomes root 2 into 35. That means 35 root 2. H is equal to 35 root 2 meter, height of a tree. Unit is important, remember this. Okay. So easy question. Think how to solve this type of question. Now remaining two question 15 and 16 solve yourself. Here we complete this chapter. In next lecture we start new chapter, chapter number 4. Okay.